Yes, so we run many programs actually. So in the US, so the different programs are early detection and prevention, seminars, webinars, community outreaches, as I mentioned earlier, giving my WhatsApp number, navigating them towards the right direction. And in addition to the villages adoption, where we go door to door, do a wholesome, like take care end to end. And of course the research, because being a hardcore researcher, we have our research is IRB USA approved, IEC Ethics Committee India approved, and now we are also doing in Africa. So the research is very important for us, like epidemiology study, clinical data analysis, but we also have like the support system, the support group. Like this also, like I never thought that we would have something like that, but it was through the process. Like I would go to this not villages, in the towns, urban sector women, and I would just ask them like, how did you feel when you went through cancer? And they would just burst into tears, saying that I had no one to speak to during my times. Even my family wouldn't even let me talk to anyone. I didn't know who to connect with. That's when because there's a small towns, and they were telling me I had hair fall, but no one was explaining things to me. So then I realized the support group was so important. So we created support group, in local support group and a very private WhatsApp group. We do treatment guidance for every patient. I analyze the reports. We have oncologists on the forums. Everything is free, 100% free services. In addition to that, support system, we also have care package in the US. We have volunteers who make essential care package, like a heart-shaped pillow with a pocket. We can insert ice pack or heat pack or hot pack and put it under arm. Post-surgery, we have chemoport seatbed pillows, where when we go through chemotherapy, any type of cancers, we put a port here, and it's difficult to wear a seat belt, so we have that. Very soft hats we make. Everything we give out to everyone, the patients in the US, free. And most importantly, I think my torch bearers are my students. So we have like leadership programs, because they are the future, so that they can generate the awareness within their own community. So these are the initiatives we have been continuing and growing. So every program we are growing on, like COVID came in, then hurricane came in. So we are not like we are jumping in the disaster relief too, but most importantly, like every program is building on top of another. Like from one village, now we already have more than 40 villages adopted. We are working in the screening, in taking wholesome care in Africa and Sierra Leone, Nigeria. So we are building the community as a family, basically, throughout the world, and we are building on top of another. So that's how we are planning to grow. But like a lot of times, many ask me like, how do we differentiate? And I always say that, why do we have to differentiate? We have to come together, because we are fighting for a bigger cause, the cause of cancer. That's why our tagline is "Together we save lives." So I think holding each other's hands, we will be able to help, because every country, every area, in the world, the need and the requirement is different, because the challenges are so different, so we cannot generalize. So we have to work through the challenges of each area and come up with a sustainable solutions, and that's what we are trying to do.